Octopus by Caroline Castley and Margaret Dawson. The Dumbo Octopus is basically an octopus that has features that resemble the Disney character Dumbo. They have very large ears and have no ink sac. Their scientific name is Grimpotutus bathanectes. They mainly live in the East-North Pacific Ocean, and they live very deep down on the ocean floor from depths of 9,800 feet to 13,000 feet. It's the deepest living octopus. Dumbo octopus have few predators because of the low depths, so the main predators are sharks and whales. Because of their few predators, Dumbo octopus have evolved to not have ink sacs because there are few occasions where they would have to defend themselves using ink. Dumbo octopus love to feed on zooplankton, worms, crustaceans, and copepods. They can even swallow their prey whole. They have harpoon-like barbs on their flippers that help them catch and hold their prey. Their fast swimming comes from their ability to quickly release water from the funnel, which helps them escape from predators. Octopi have one big heart and two smaller hearts near their gills. The smaller heart pumps blood to the gills and oxygenated blood to the big heart. Octopi have hemocyanin protein in their blood, which makes their blood blue rather than red. Dumbo octopus, like other octopi, use gills to get oxygen from water. Dumbo octopus have lots of body symmetry. Through their two ears, which are symmetrical and evenly spaced, their asymmetrical U and V-shaped mantle. All Dumbo octopus have suckers, arms, and spines all over their webbed tentacles and 8 webbed tentacles. Dumbo octopus have no specific mating season, which means they can mate all year round, an advantageous trait that most octopi do not possess. This trait is also advantageous because Dumbo octopus are rare. It helps them continue growing their population because they can mate at any time. Females are continuously laying eggs on rocks and shells on the ocean floor. Additionally, male Dumbo octopi have protuberances on their arms that transport sperm packets to a female's mantle. Hence, female can use sperm at any time to fertilize their eggs.
Muscular and skeletal systems. They have no bone structure besides their skull. They steer using their arms. They use their ear-like fins to propel themselves, and these fins are located above the mantle and are unique from all other octopi. This is the reason really big Dumbos move rather slowly. Their fins are small compared to the rest of their body, and it is advantageous to be smaller for Dumbo octopi because they can move faster. Shown here is a video by National Geographic, and I like it because it demonstrates the movement of the Dumbo octopus, and I think that the reactions that the scientists display are kind of amusing.
Showing off here, you're going to be famous.
Look above that.
Wow, look at that hood. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I can see it ripple.
Oh, that's great.
That whole mantle there.
Wow.
Oh, there we
Yeah.
go.
Oh my
that's
gosh,
so
he's
nice.
posing. This
That's
is great.
so
Nice
cool.
to show off.
I love me a good cephalopod.
Yeah.
What do these guys feed on,
Just have
Chad?
to tell grumpy creatures
Integumentary system. Dumbo octopus skin is semi-translucent and thin. They can flush their top layer to slightly change their color and make it translucent. It covers their mantle and connects the two fins and webs together their arms. Their skin is flexible because the Dumbos need to move a lot using their arms and fins, as seen by this octopi who stretched out rather nicely. You can see the webbing of the really thin skin connecting their arms. Regulatory functions. Dumbos are ectotherms and regulate temperature based on their surrounding water temperatures. They, along with other octopi, are conformers as their internal environment is influenced by their external environment. Excretory functions occur in a pair of nephridia, which is a pair of tubular structures that collect fluids from the colon and exchange salts and other substances with body tissues. Defense. Because of their lack of predators, Dumbos don't have many defenses. They lack an ink sac, unlike other octopi, and escape from predators by contracting and relaxing their arms and flapping their fins on their mantle. One advantage that all octopi have is that they can regrow their arms, which helps them if they are attacked. They also have 500 million neurons, which are mainly in their legs, which aid them in their ability to rapidly propel themselves and escape predators. Octopi also have a huge disadvantage. They lack acquired immunity to vaccines that humans can get that would be useless for all cephalopods. Octopi live in the world with a wide variety of pathogens, and these can easily harm them, which is to their disadvantage. And because of this, infections can spread through an entire population of Dumbo octopi because it spreads more quickly. Senses. Dumbos can see, smell, touch, and taste. Their sense of smell is due to sensors, as seen in this picture, on the ends of their arms. They are also able to taste with these arms before consuming their prey, which some of them do by grabbing their prey and eating it whole. So they can be rather picky about their food because, like our friend here, they can taste it before consuming it. And unfortunately, the sense that they do not have is a sense of hearing. New behaviors. If a Dumbo octopus acquires any new behavior, they would have to teach it to themselves. They are solitary animals from birth, so they have to figure things out alone. Like our poor friend here, who's all alone and traveling alone. Human threats. Although the Dumbo octopus is not greatly threatened by humans, they are still affected by them. Any dumping of toxic chemicals in the ocean is lethal to the Dumbos, as well as all other fish. There is also the threat of them being caught in sunken fishing nets from commercial fishing boats that's sometimes thrown overboard as waste or accidentally dumped into the ocean. So that concludes our presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching.